right, good morning, good morning, good morning. What an amazing, awesome, just incredible day it's going to be today. Why? Because hey, you were born for greatness. And today is Father's Day. So I just want to say happy Father's Day to the folks that are out there, that are watching, that are listening, that are doing great things. And we've been talking about knowing to doing, right? And I think about one of the things that's fun to do is knowing how to do is making people smile, especially dads on this day. And if you can figure out a way to make your dad smile, one of the ways is they call them dad's jokes. Most of them don't have the word dad and have nothing to do with dad, but they make you smile. And so I'm going to read a few of those today, just in the light and spirit of dad and making things happen and just hopefully making you smile. So here we go. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Outstanding in his field. Wow. Made me smile, right? I guess I'm a dad. If I smile, then it works good, right? How does a penguin build its house? It glues it together. It glues it together. I don't know why they call these dad jokes, but here we go. I told my wife she should embrace her mistakes. She gave me a hug. Oh no, I'm the mistake. Hey, I'm reading a book on anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down. What did the grape say when it got stepped on? Nothing. It just let out a little wine. Hey, I'm on a seafood diet. I see food and I eat it. And I know that's what's happening today, right? Why don't skeletons fight each other? Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. Ooh, parallel lines have so much in common. It's the same that it's a shame they'll never meet. All right, I used to be a baker, but I couldn't make enough dough. So silly. And what do you call a fake spaghetti? An impasta. All right, so I hope you guys have a wonderful, incredible day today. Don't forget, you are God's greatest gift. Eddie loves you if you allow him to. Enjoy the day. Enjoy the time with your families. We will talk with you tomorrow.